at the Quality Inn in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is the one with the Panera bread in it. Here it is. These were originally old Otis's, but then these were originally old Otis's, but then they're modernized with monitor PC 7. Not sure who modernized it, but it has monitor PC. There's a key card reader. There we go. R means restaurant, and the restaurant's Panera bread. Part of the indicator's burned out. Here's 7. Look at that ridiculous 7. Here's the guest row level. Go back down to lobby. Dim. Panera bread logo. 88 phone. Pretty basic cab. Older cab. Original cab probably from when it was an old Otis. Not sure when this was modernized either. Lantern. Fan. This opens up on the restaurant level right into Panera bread. Here back to the lobby. Close. There it goes, and that's it.